What's up guys, welcome back to my show, and before we get started, hit that subscribe button, turn notifications on, give me a huge thumbs up. Today guys, we're going to learn about electricity. Electricity is one electron moving one material to another. Today we're going to show you how electricity moves around with circuits. Let's get started. First, we need electricity source, a power source to make the electricity work. This is a battery stand. We're going to put it at third on letter C. Next, we're going to need a lamp. And now let's use a switch. Now let's see when we turn it on. It's not working. Why? Because it's not connected. It's not in a full circle. We're going to use a connecting wire to make it connect. Let's put it like this instead. Now let's turn it on. This is called a series circuits. Now let's turn it off. So when we turn it on, it goes on because it's in a circle. If it wasn't in a circle, it would not work. Now we're going to do a more complex circuit. So first, we're going to need a power plate, whatever it's called. We're going to put it down. Now we need a switch. Let's put it right here. Now let's put the lamp right here. And now let's put this right here. Let's see if it will work. No. Now, let's see. Now let's put this right here. Now, let's take these two off right quick and get a whistle chip. So we're going to put that there and you right here. That right here. No, it won't work. So we'll need some snap wires. Let's get number 5 out. Mr. Number 5. Nothing happened. Let's see when we do this. That's it for me today. And always do science. Bye.